Alright, so today we are going to be adding one of the finishing pieces to this car as far as the aero goes. And for some reason or another, I noticed that this is a piece or pieces that not everybody decides to put on their car. I don't know why. To me, this just ties everything together, and I wouldn't be able to complete this transformation without these pieces we're about to get to. You see, we already got the lip. Video for that if you guys want to know how to install it. Come around back, you see we got the spoiler, and that is the V-style front lip for the F82 M4, but it goes the same for the F80 M3. CS style spoiler, carbon fiber of course. And then we got the 4-piece PSM rear diffuser. When I tell you this thing makes such a difference, all these pieces combined, if you go back, and I'm sure you guys know, like, it just turns this thing into a whole different car, a whole different animal, a whole different beast. This thing looks amazing. I mean, what more can I say? You guys see it. Give you another little view real quick. And all the videos are down below in the description if you want to check those out and see how all that went. I take you step by step and show you exactly how to do it. But with all that being said, today, I mean, if you put 2 and 2 together, you know. Here it is right here. We got the PSM style side skirts. Already put the 3M tape on it, so we're ready to go. I just got to jack up the car. So with all that being said, let's get right to it. Before we get started, real quick, if you guys are interested in any quality pieces for the best price that you'll find, everything you see, SenCal Motorsports. The link is down below in the description. Use code LouieXIII to save some money. Alright, so first things first, got to get the car jacked up. As you can see, I'm not using a jack stand as it would have been in the way and not allowed me to do what I needed to do to get the side skirt in. I just used what I had to keep the car propped up, made sure everything was nice, safe, and secure. Next thing, I'm adding a little bit of alcohol to the rag, wiping it down, making sure I have a nice clean surface for the 3M to stick to. Right here, just mocking it up, making sure everything looks good. Next thing, I'm just adding a little bit of adhesive promoter. This will allow the 3M to stick even better. Luckily, I got a little help here. If you don't have help, not a problem. All you need to do is prop the end that you're not working on with something. That will allow you to stick the side that you are working on and then just go and move over to the other side. Now I'm just gonna drill in the self-tapping screws very lightly, not all the way, because as you will see in a minute, I go in there and finish off the rest by hand. Alright, and the first side skirt is complete, and I do have to say, this thing is looking good. You could tell how it just ties everything together with the lip and the diffuser and the spoiler. Right here, the side's just looking a little naked. It needed that extra piece to just tie everything together. Now we're just gonna let it down, pull the car out, back it in, and pretty much just repeat the same process on the other side. it is, the finished product. We got the V-style front lip, carbon fiber. We got the newest edition, the PSM side skirts, carbon fiber, as you can see and as you've seen in the B-roll. And then we got the CS style spoiler, carbon fiber. All these videos are on the channel for you to see if you want to know how to do it, if you want to see the process, just so you know. And then we got my favorite piece, the 4-piece PSM style rear diffuser. This just changed this car so much. In my eyes, this is a whole different vehicle. Like I said, I have all the videos for you, but in this video, obviously, it's about the side skirts. This just tied everything together. I notice a lot of people don't put the side skirts for whatever reason. I do not know, like I said in the beginning of the video. But as you can see, it just tied everything together. You've seen the before and after, and you see the little side piece of the diffuser sticking out back there. And before, it was just plain right here. You know, it wasn't like pieced in together. You see the lip, carbon fiber, and then you would see the side of the diffuser. And I put the side skirt that just ties it all in together. I mean, I've said ties it in all together about 15 different times in this one video. But, I mean, what do you guys think, man? I feel like you gotta do it. But drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. If you want more content, make sure you subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna see you guys soon. Salute.